Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of orcas, often known as killer whales, and exploring a surprising new behavior that sheds light on their remarkable intelligence. In August 2020, researchers observed a groundbreaking event in the Gulf of California, a group of orcas attacking young great white sharks. This was no ordinary hunt. Using drones, scientists captured footage of 5 orcas working together to flip a young shark onto its back, inducing what's called tonic immobility, a temporary state of paralysis. This tactic highlights the orca's strategic prowess in hunting, as the disoriented shark becomes unable to flee. Orcas are renowned for their intelligence and social learning capabilities. Higuera Rivas, a researcher involved in the study, points out that these behaviors showcase orcas' advanced cognitive abilities and their knack for passing down complex hunting techniques across generations. The attacks were consistently carried out by a specific group known as the Moktizuma pod, demonstrating deliberate planning and repetition. So, what drives this new behavior? It seems climate change plays a crucial role. Rising sea temperatures have shifted the locations of shark nurseries, bringing young sharks into closer proximity with orca habitats. This environmental shift may explain why orcas have started targeting these juvenile sharks. Marine researcher Alison Towner emphasizes the importance of shark nurseries as vital learning grounds for young sharks. However, with orcas exerting pressure on these areas, the young sharks might be forced to move to less secure environments, threatening the ecological balance. Such persistent pressure could disrupt the marine food chain, affecting various marine species. In conclusion, this study reveals a novel behavior in orcas, highlighting their intelligence and adaptability in response to environmental changes. It raises important questions about how other marine species might react to these shifts and how we can maintain ecological balance amidst ongoing climate change. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of orcas, be sure to subscribe for more intriguing science content.